What if you could hire a sales rep that never sleeps, never burns out, and never asks for a commission? That's exactly what SalesAI promises. AI agents that handle your prospecting, qualify your leads, and book meetings on autopilot while your team focuses on what they do the best, closing deals. Here's the quick breakdown. SalesAI calls itself your next AI hire. These are AI voice agents built specifically for sales. They follow up with prospects, qualify leads, and even set meetings directly on your calendar. No more SDR burnout. No increasing headcount. Just consistent outbound and inbound coverage running 24/7. This is perfect for three types of people. Founders who need pipeline but don't want to hire more headcount, sales teams drowning in calls, follow-ups, and watching leads slip through the cracks, and lastly, anyone who wants more qualified meetings without scaling their payroll. So what does SalesAI actually do? First, their AI voice agents sound human, not robotic. No one's hanging up because they think it's a spam call. Second, you get 24/7 lead coverage for both inbound and outbound. Third, instant qualification and live call transfers when prospects are ready to buy. Fourth, meeting booking without the back and forth email chains. And finally, fast onboarding with no code, no long setup process. Plus, it integrates with your existing CRMs and calendars. Now here's what they claim. 90% reduction in hiring costs, 30 hours per week saved per rep, and happier customers with faster response times. Before SalesAI, you're dealing with manual outreach, burnout, and missed revenue. After SalesAI, you've got AI agents doing thousands of calls, instant follow-ups, and more meetings booked. One thing to note, pricing isn't listed up front. You'll need a demo to get numbers, which is a pretty standard in this space. But if you're looking at AI SDRs, SalesAI is definitely one option. But here's the big difference. Tools like SalesAI lean heavy on voice calls. So if you want to automate other channels like email, you'll need to choose the alternative, Agent Frank. It automates everything from inbox setup and warm-up to hyper-personalized outreach that actually books meetings. Email still scales better for most teams, especially if you want affordable, repeatable pipeline that doesn't require hiring more people. So if you're curious about voice agents, SalesAI is definitely worth checking out. But if you want a proven AI SDR that runs your entire email outreach operation, go watch a breakdown of Agent Frank right here.